Hello. My name is Imo, and this is my restaurant management API deployed on Render. It contains two MongoDB collections, menu items, and orders. The API supports get, post, put, and delete operations with validation, error handling, and Google Auth authentication. So I'm showing you the menu items and the orders. So I'll take you to a MongoDB compass. So as you can see, the restaurant API collection has menu items, orders, sessions, and users. In menu items, the menu item collection contains more than 7 fields, including name, description, category, price, availability, prep time, ingredients, and image URL, and the others as well. And in the orders, it has its fields as well that were created during testing. So it demonstrates the get route. So currently I am logged out, so I'll just reload just to make sure it's actually logged out, and I'll reload here as well. All right, I'll move quickly through them. The get menu items. It displays everything that is there, and the get menu by ID. I'll copy one of the IDs. And it displays its jollof rice and chicken, and I'll do the same with the orders. It gets all the orders, and I would copy and get by ID. Right, it's all successful. So the get routes are public and remain accessible without authentication. So now I would log out, and I would open the same. I would open log out. So the message logout successful, and I would just reload to make sure it's shown here. Then I would try to post menu items. Try it out and execute. So the error is please log in with Google. I'm logged out. That's why. So the post, put, and delete routes are protected because I'm logged out. So the API returns 401 authentication required, as you can see. Now I'll log in with Google Auth. So I'll change that to Google. So that's the account I created. So it redirects me back to the API docs. So I would open status. Okay, it's ready. I'll just reload this just to confirm that it is the same thing. It's accurate. So I've reloaded it. I'll reload that again. Alright, so it's displaying the login details I just logged in with. So the Google Auth successfully authenticates the user, which is me, and my user account is stored in MongoDB without storing a password. So now I'll demonstrate the menu items. The menu items CRUD. So I'll create a temporary menu item. I already have one. Okay. Alright, successful. So I'll get by ID. So I'll copy the ID. Great. So I would edit it. So just change this to updated video test mail, and we'll change this to 5,500 and execute. Perfect. Now I'll delete it. Alright, success. So I'll demonstrate the CRUD for the CRUD. So I'll create an order. This customer. Execute that. Successful. Then I'll quickly go through get to ID. Then update it. Maybe change this to deleted. Maybe this to 6,500. Success. Then the delete. Successful. We already saw some error validation and validation error handling in place, but I'll demonstrate further. I'll remove this. Make that empty. Make this empty as well. Make this negative. Make this 0. Make this yes. Empty. Empty. Let's see. Oops, huge error came in there. Okay, let's also try an invalid ID. So I'll change this to Y. Error response status is 400. Invalid menu item ID. So now I'll show my GitHub. So I have my config, controllers, DB, middleware, routes, validation, API.js, swagger.js, .json, and test.rest. Let me open my git.ignore, and you can see that the node modules and .env are there. MongoDB credentials, Google Auth credentials, and the session secrets are stored in the environment variables and are not present on GitHub. So I'll log out now. I'll retry unprotected request and show that it returned the 401 again. I'll try and post this. Yep, authentication required. Please log in with Google. So the API is deployed to render documented through Swagger, connected to MongoDB, validates request data, handles errors, and uses Google Auth to restrict protected operations. So thank you for watching my video.